I wanted to choose something a bit controversial or like sad sounding because I wanted to bring forth a message. The exhibition is about climate anxiety, existential dread, and our changing climate. So I wanted it to sound a little bit doom and gloom, but ultimately there is a slight message of hope.
Spazju Kreattiv jintroduċina ma' Dying Planet, wirja ta' pitturi u illustrazzjonijiet ta' Daniela Attard li titratta l-ansejtà dwar it-tibdil fil-klima u l-eżistenzjaliżmu. Din il-wirja se tibqa' miftuħa sad-9 ta' Ottubru.
One of the main themes and something that inspired me to bring Dying Planet, especially to Malta, is I feel really strongly about our environment changing, and it makes me feel helpless and that I can't do anything to change. But then I realized like art in itself is supposed to make people think. It's supposed to like inspire people to change. And I thought that illustration in particular is a really good medium to speak to the general public about both climate anxiety and our feelings and sadness, and how we can funnel that into being more proactive, bringing about change, speaking up, lobbying politicians, and trying to save our dying planet, and especially our beloved island of Malta. I decided to use both digital and traditional illustration with painting work involved because I have been working digitally for quite a while, and as much as I enjoy digital painting, I miss traditional media. And also, I think nowadays with the advent of AI art especially, we're losing a bit of like the spirit of like people making art. And for me, it was like a bit of a wake-up call. Like, yes, fine, we have AI art, it's here to stay, it's going to change the way we produce visual images, but I felt the need to go back to traditional art, especially painting, to kind of like remind people that work made by humans, by hand, tends to have more meaning and is more powerful in a sense. There's a few reasons why I pick bright colors for my work. I used to work a lot in pencil, which would be grayscale, black and white, and it's quite powerful in its own way because it leaves room for interpretation. But with color work, I think you can really inspire people and set the mood. Color can be political in the sense of it could cause anxiety or distress, or it could be calming. So it makes sense that for an exhibition like this, the colors are loud because they're screaming at you like, our planet is dying, or we need to act now, we need to bring about change. And yeah, it was fitting for me to use a bright color palette for this particular show. It was really important for me to bring illustration back to the island because I think it's a really powerful medium. It's easy for people to relate to very visual, figurative work. It's easy to read a narrative in illustration work, and I think we need a little bit more illustration-based exhibitions in Malta, like not just fine art or like photography, etc. Like, even though they all kind of overlap, I still believe in illustration and its ability to pass messages on and inspire people.